Welcome to today's video where we will be using checkboxes to complete an attendance register, and I'll show you how. So I've got my attendance register here and I want to calculate the total attendance and the total missed attendance for each student throughout this week. And we want to do this using checkboxes. So first of all, we need to insert checkboxes, and going to developer insert, gonna insert my checkbox over here. Just use the edit text there. We're just gonna go for a simple yes for now, and from here we will just copy and paste our checkboxes. You can insert them manually if you like. Just gonna select all of these cells and press Ctrl D. See if it does this for all of them. It does. Wonderful. So now if we've got our checkboxes and we want to calculate the attendance if this checkbox is marked, and we want to calculate the total missed attendance if it is left unmarked. So to do that, going to the total attendance, and we're going to use a formula, count if, and this simply states it will count the range that you select on a specific criteria that you put in. So using COUNTIF, I'm going to select the range. Our range is Monday to Friday, and we are going to use the criteria true. So that simply states if the checkbox is marked, it is true. The student has attended and it will count towards the attendance. So just simply use that. So now the formula is entered, and if I select here, you'll see nothing happens. Nothing is happening towards our total attendance. So for that to happen, we will be selecting our checkbox and we'll right click, go to Format Control, and we go to the Control tab on the far end, and we will link the cell to the checkbox. So simply select the cell where the checkbox is located. You're going to simply add that link there. Once I press OK, you will see if I check this checkbox, now it will count towards the attendance. So let's just add that to the middle. So now it will add that to the attendance. So, and you'll see here in the cell, there is text here that states true. So I'm just going to simply take the font for all of these cells and just make them white. Just white out that so that you can't see the true. You can use the true, you can remove the text like the yes that we've added here, and you can simply use the true that is displayed there. And to repeat this process, this cell hasn't been added yet. So we're going to simply add this cell, we're going to link the cell to the checkbox, and as simple as that, we will be just repeating this. Sorry, just selected too much there. So just repeating the process, linking the cell to the checkbox, and just carrying on with that. So I'm just going to do the first student, Amy, so that I can just explain everything to you. Otherwise, we could go sit here and just watch how we do this, and it's going to be very entertaining, and you're just going to leave this video. So just going to link all those cells. So now you'll see if I just click on all of these, it just counts towards the attendance. And the same goes, this formula that we used here, we will be using in the total missed attendance. So we're going to do a count if, sorry, just need a, count if, and we're going to select the same range, Monday to Friday, and this time our criteria will be false. And when it's false, it just works the opposite from the true. So if I uncheck these boxes, you'll see that the attendance will drop and the total missed attendance will go up. And you can simply repeat this for all of your students down here, the same process, and you can actually have a very nice and very neatly organized attendance register that you can quickly just select, and you can have the total attendance and your missed attendance if you would like that. So I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like this video down below and subscribe to our channel, and please hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new content that we will be posting. Until next time, guys, cheers.